Exercise 17.1 up to question number 5 already taught to you. Now question number 6. Ratio of the radii of two circles is 3:2. What is the ratio of their circumferences? First you write the first line. Then since it is given in a ratio, let the common ratio be x. So radius of first circle R1 will be 3x. Radius of the second circle R2 will be 2x. So the ratio of their circumferences equal to upside circumference of first circle, downside circumference of second circle. Formula 2 pi r1 for first one, 2 pi r2 for second one, 2 pi cut, r1 3x, r2 2x, x cut 3:2. Now, question number 7. A piece of wire is bent in the shape of an equilateral triangle. Each side is given 6.6. Then it is rebent. With the help of same wire, you will make this circle. Asking question, what is the diameter of this? To get the diameter, we need the radius first. So let the radius of the circular ring be x. Side of an equilateral triangle A equals to 6.6 centimeter. Since by the same wire we made this equilateral triangle and we made this circle. So both are having same perimeter, same boundary. So circumference of the ring is equal to perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Circumference formula 2 pi r, perimeter of an equilateral triangle 3 into a. 2 22/7 into r equal to 3 into 6.6. Number you can send that side. After cancellation, radius we are getting 6.3/2 centimeter. So diameter of the ring will be 2r. 2 into radius 6.3/2. 2 cut. Diameter came out 6.3 centimeter. Now to start question number 8. You need to know these two concepts regarding wheel. Distance covered by the wheel in one revolution, one rotation, it will be always equal to circumference of the wheel. And whenever you want to know number of revolutions completed by the wheel, then total distance covered by the vehicle divided by circumference of the wheel. Now this concept will help me to solve this question number 8. Diameter of a wheel is given 70 centimeter. It moves slowly along a road. How far will it go in 24 complete revolutions? So total revolution takes place 24. So for a wheel of a cycle, D is equal to 70 centimeter, radius will be 70/2, that is 35 centimeter. Number of revolutions 24. So distance covered by the wheel in 24 revolution is equal to 24 into 2 pi r, because one revolution makes its own circumference. So 24 into 2 pi r, which is equal to 24 into 2 into 22/7 into 35. By 7 cancel this, remaining multiplication 5280 centimeter is the total distance covered. Question number 9. There is a circular pond and footpath runs along its boundary. A man walks exactly around it, exactly once, keeping close to the edge. His step is 66 centimeter long and exactly 400 steps to go around the pond. What is the diameter of the pond? So let the radius of the pond be x. Length of each step for that person 66 centimeter. Number of steps 400. So the distance covered by the person will be 400 into 66, because per step 66 centimeter, 400 steps, 400 into 66. Now distance covered around the circle will be circumference. So circumference is equal to this, 2 pi r equal to this, 2 22/7 into r equal to this, where r is equal to all the number you can send that side. Then cancellation, radius came out 4200 centimeter. So diameter of the pond 2 into radius, 2 into 4200, that is 8400 centimeter. Now 17.1, last question, question number 10. One circle has a radius 105 meter, another second circle, that is another circle, concentric, has a radius of 112 meter. One is 105 meter, one is 112 meter. How much longer is the circumference of the second circle than that of the first? Concentric circle means both the circle will have same center but different radius. So small circle, small radius 105 meter, big radius 112 meter. So for first circle, small r equal to this. For second circle, big r equal to this. Now circumference of the first circle, we have to calculate 2 pi r, put the radius, then result is coming 660 meter. Then circumference of the second circle you will calculate 2 pi capital R. Capital R is 112, pi 22/7, cancellation, result is 704 meter. Therefore circumference of the second circle is longer than the first circle by 704 minus previous circumference 660. After subtraction, result is coming 44 meter. With this, our exercise 17.1 is completed. Today's work also over. Bye.